Hello traders, 2 years ago I was just trading $1,000 live account, and right now I'm managing 100,000 funded account, not just one but multiple 100,000 funded account. If you are on your way to increase your capital in trading, or you're on your way to actually get a funded account, you might not want to skip this video because I share about 3 important things that I actually changed in my mindset in order to get to this phase. In this video, I will share about what is the switch that makes me from trading 1,000s to 100,000s in terms of my mindset, my trading plan, and my strategy. Now, a lot of traders on the internet just say that I made this, I made that, but without any proof. But you guys can check out my social media here that I actually posted about my funding journey and also my payouts. The number one first thing I switch in my mindset is the profit target. When I was trading my personal account at first, it's like everyone else does, so I was aiming to actually flip my account. I actually managed to flip an account from 1,000s to 3,000s, and from 3K to 5K, from 5K to 8K, and finally from 8K to 19K. At the point of time, I thought that I can actually continue to flip my accounts continuously without losing. But I blown that account because of over trading in a bad way. You will notice that those traders that are so good on flipping their account, at some point they will just stop trying to flip the same accounts, because maybe if they keep continuing flipping the account, that account might go to the moon. So I started to look at what is realistic gain. I noticed that real successful traders only making minimal consistent gain every month, and that's definitely good month and bad month. I learned to accept the probabilities of me winning and losing with proper risk management and also financial planning throughout my trading journey. Second thing I changed is the main thing that actually made me become a funded trader and stay as a funded trader. So the second thing is about the trading time. Before I was profitable, I will actually trade like there's no tomorrow. I'll be waking up in the morning to look at the chart and try to trade every single move that I see all day long. At the point of time, I actually see trading as a job, and there's not even a 9 to 5 job that pays me, because I lose so much money when I spend a lot of time on the chart. I started to learn about the trading sessions and take note of what is the difference between the volumes in different pair in the specific sessions. After I discovered how to really schedule my trading time, instead of looking at the chart when I'm free or when I'm bored and when I see a certain patterns and I just want to be in a trade so that I can make money quick. Slowly, I found my golden hour in trading and I stick to my trading schedule. That's when I actually got my first funded account. The last thing that made me from trading $1,000 to $100,000 is really making a solid trading plan and a solid strategy. Now, most of us here, when we first started trading, we look at a lot of trading videos in the internet when we see this trader making this much money and this trader making this much money. So we are actually here and there trying to learn a lot of different strategies. We are only having this imaginary strategy on our mind that we didn't really drop it down, write it down, and break it down as a whole with the rules, with the confluence, with the confirmations, with the risk management detailedly. I know that we should actually keep our trading strategies simple, but yet it need to be systematic approach when we're trying to take a trade from analysis to executions. I start to make a solid trading plan and build my own strategy instead of anyone else's strategy, because I want a strategy that is suitable for me, myself. And I also stopped relying on those signal groups that 99% of them is actually just fake claims. I also encourage the HTG gang to actually build up their own strategy and trading plan. And we are also trying to do a sharing sessions every month to review about the progress and also the strategy they are using. How we can really grow from trading $1,000 account to 100,000 US dollar account here. So if we apply realistic gain, which is 3 to 5% per month, from $1,000 account is around 30 to 50 US dollar, right? On $100,000 account is around 3 to 5,000 US dollar. So that's a big difference. But the thing is, the realistic gain, the percentage of the profit target right here is actually the same, which is 3 to 5% per month. But what is really important is the risk management here that most of the trader miss out, because when they're trading their own live personal account, they tend to risk their whole account instead of really putting a risk management there. So when we are trading a big capital, example for funded account, we have these daily drawdowns and maximum drawdown, right? So we have daily and maximum drawdown on 100,000 funded accounts. So we need to also apply that if we are trading on our live capital, our live account, we need to apply the same thing, which is the daily and the maximum drawdown. So if we can have the risk management here, even on a small amount here, for example, 5% daily drawdown and 10% maximum drawdown, same goes to 100,000 account, it means that we already practice discipline. So when you apply this risk management in a smaller account size, in a live capital, and you bring it on towards your funding progress, your challenges, this will help you to become disciplined while you're trying to manage prop firm fund at the end of the day. So what is the real important thing is actually not the capital you have right now or not the capital you started. Capital is not an important thing that you should focus at. What you should focus at is actually making the realistic gain. Wow! Having a proper risk management skill at the same time. So when you have the discipline and you want to increase your capital from 1,000 US dollar to 100,000 US dollar, the thing is you need to stop looking for flipping account. So after you have the skill set on a small account with realistic gain and risk management, how you can actually go from 1,000 US dollar to 100,000 US dollar is basically try to acquire OPM. OPM means that others people money. It can be investor fund or it can be prop firms fund. So as long as you can manage to achieve the profit target with a proper risk management, capital is not the main issue anymore. Last but not least, if you want to increase your capital from trading 1,000 US dollar to 100,000 US dollar or even 1 million US dollar, sacrifice is needed. I like the quote that's about pay the price of discipline or you will pay the price of regret in futures. So with all the strategy, trading plan and rules that we actually build in for our trading, we need to be really disciplined and stick to the plan at the end of the day in order for us to get through this trading journey to become a funded traders and making realistic gain consistently. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my journey of becoming a funded traders. And always remember, trade with the right mindset.